Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to this video on conjugated molecules. Today we are going to discuss about conjugated molecules and different types of conjugated molecules. Conjugated molecules are those molecules which are joined by other kind of molecules. Like we have different type of molecules: proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, fats, you can say like nucleic acids. When these molecules are joined together, like when proteins are joined with carbohydrate, or when carbohydrates are joined with lipid, when nucleic acids are joined with protein, so conjugated molecules are formed when these molecules combine. So different examples include glycolipids, glycoproteins, lipoproteins and nucleoproteins. We will discuss all of them in detail in upcoming slides. First of all, glycolipids. Here the word glyco in this glycolipid shows carbohydrate. Glyco means carbohydrate and lipids mean lipid, fats. So glycolipids are the combination of carbohydrate and fats. Like they are complex lipids containing one or more sugars. Sugars are actually the carbohydrates with fatty acids or alcohol. Here lipids are fatty acids and carbohydrates are sugars. So they are formed by sugars and fatty acids, and they are present. Glycolipids are present in white matter of brain. This is an image showing the brain. This white matter contains glycolipids. Okay, so next, myelin sheath of nerve fiber. This is the structure of nerve fiber, and here this is myelin sheath. This outer covering is myelin sheath, and this myelin sheath is made up of glycolipids. Next we have the chloroplast membrane. This is the structure of chloroplast which is present in plants, and this outer covering, the outer boundary membrane of chloroplast is made up of glycolipids. Glycolipids are found in this outer membrane. Next we have glycoproteins. Glyco means carbohydrate and proteins. Glycoproteins are the combination of carbohydrates and proteins. In first point, it is written that they are formed when proteins are covalently attached to carbohydrates. This is image showing plasma membrane. Glycoproteins are found there. Here you can see proteins. These are the proteins, and this is a carbohydrate which is shown in yellow color. This carbohydrate attached to protein, which is termed as glycoprotein. They have various functions which include hormones, structural proteins and receptors. Like they function as hormones. Structural proteins mean they maintain the structure, and they act as receptor, they transfer one thing from this side to inside. From one side of the cell to other side, they transfer something, and they are termed as receptors. They have role in blood group, we have different blood groups, and this blood grouping is because of glycoproteins. They play a role in blood grouping. You can see the difference between glycoproteins and glycolipids here. You can see this is oligosaccharide, which is a carbohydrate. When carbohydrate and lipids are attached together, carbohydrate and lipid. Carbohydrate glyco and this lipid means this is glycolipid. And this is oligosaccharide, which is carbohydrate. This carbohydrate attached with protein, glycoprotein. Next is lipoproteins. Lipo, as the name shows, lipo means lipid, and this proteins mean protein. When lipids are attached with proteins, they form lipoproteins. You can see in the image, this is phospholipid, means the lipid, and this is protein. When lipids and proteins are combined together, they form a structure known as lipoprotein. They are found in plants and animal materials. Examples include they are found in milk, blood, egg yolk, membrane and cell nucleus, chloroplast of plants. They are found in all those places. Next we have nucleoproteins. So nucleoproteins consist of nucleo. Here nucleo word shows nucleic acid, and this protein shows protein. Like nucleoproteins are the combination of nucleic acid and proteins. They consist of proteins and nucleic acids. They are found in chromosomes and ribosomes. So this table sums up all the key points we have discussed. By looking at the types of complex molecules, where they are found and what they do, you will get a clear overview of this topic. Reviewing this table will make you remember and understand everything better. So just learn this table instead of revising all those previous stuff. You can just remember this table. So this was all about conjugated molecules and its different types. If you have any questions, just ask them in comments below. Thank you.